nature. You're the sun, I'm the sky, and we're so complete. Let me water you, my flower, I'll teach ya how to open up real nice, baby. Why don't we give it a go? Let's dive in a pool of love and sweet. Why don't we give it a go? See, there's nothing in the world like you and me. If it's up to me, I won't go to work for a week. No, I won't. Just to stay in bed with you, cuddle and watch TV. Don't care about anything. I know you do the same for me. So let's stay here all day and hide in the sheets. Baby, we deserve a celebration. When we meet, I feel like I'm on vacation. I think I finally find my best friend. Am I tripping or is this for real? Yeah. Why don't we give it a go? Yeah. Let's dive in a pool of love and swim. Yeah. Why don't we give it a go? See, there's nothing in the world like you and me. Ooh, why don't we give it a go? Let's dive in a pool of love and swim. No, no, no. Why don't we give it a go? See, you'll see. There's nothing in the world like you and me. There's nothing in the world like you and me.
めっちゃ揺れるめっちゃ揺れるのすごい
お客様が向かっておりますチャンスだけ、右に見えます旭岳、旭岳の向こう側にある三本槍岳、この3つの山の総称として那須岳と言っております。お待たせしました。まもなくで山頂駅到着です。
あ、真っ白じゃないか。何も見えん。おいおい、なんだよ、何も見えねえじゃねえか。30分かかるのか。往復1時間か。まあちょっと行ってみますか。せっかく来たし。先がなんだあれ、マジか。ほう、すげえなこれ。あと25分。やばいねこれ。ここからロープウェイで山頂来て、こっから茶臼岳っていうの、ここまで行っただけ。ここに50分って書いてあったね。確かに50分。